Good day, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Jay back again with another video. It's been a long time, I know, away from the golfy, but I got something different to show you guys today. So have a look at here. This is my dad's 1977 Ford Cortina 3-liter gear, and you guys can see it is a very old school, a very old fashioned, and a bit rustic. So let's take a look and see. It needs a bit more bodywork done to it. As I said, this car was redone, but over the years with the bodywork and the rain and the weather here, it started to rust again in the places that we did fix. So we're gonna redo the bodywork and all that, but so far the engine's still good. Everything's still working tip top. So let's go take a drive. Guys, as you guys can see now, in the car at the moment, look at this old-fashioned Ford key. When the last have you guys seen a key like that? My word. Let's go give it a start, shall we? First time's a charm. Woo! Let's go for a burn, shall we? So as you guys can hear and see, taking a drive now with this car. As I said, this car is automatic. The gear came out automatic only. So this is a cruiser, not a car to yacht with. It is meant to cruising. As I said, it's got a 3-liter S6 V6 motor and is a beast of a car. Listen to that roar of that V6. So funny enough about the story about this car was that my dad obtained it from a friend of his that actually lived just down the few streets away from our house. So this at the moment is my dad's baby. This car goes nowhere. Of all the cars my dad owns, this is one he misses frequently. So at the moment now we're gonna give it a bit of a burn. Hasn't been running for a long time. We had very bad weather lately, so this one stayed and rested. So I'm just gonna get past this corner here and we'll give it a bit of a beans, some baked beans. Okay, ready? Oh, I love this car. Always brings a smile to my face when you drive this thing. As I said, it is a bit heavy. So basically this motor was just meant to carry this motor around, as because of the automatic gearbox. It's not gonna do what you want to eventually, like the manuals do. But these are very fun to drive, but very thirsty nonetheless. Nice and planted to the ground. What can I say? Very low, car to the ground, very sturdy. Now I'm gonna go change my undies. Okay, guys. But anyway, this is very, as I said, this is my dad's baby. He's got many cars that he likes, but Cortinas run in our family. As I said, we got the Mark III, we got this one, and we got the Bucky as well. Bucky was mine, gave it to my dad for, I didn't have use for it, and the fact I needed to get time to work on the golf. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick video about something else other than the Golf. I couldn't get to the Golf this week for some other reasons, so I just thought I'll show you guys this little beauty that's resting here by us. And yeah, no, but as I said, cars stand and they itch in your pocket to get driving again. So we're taking it for a burn. Hopefully it will treat us well again. Oddly enough, funny question and answer. Someone wanted to. This car at the moment is lighter on fuel than my D4D Fortuner. Why?